The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL has been one of the most talked about smartphones of the year, with leaks and rumors swirling around its features, specifications, and pricing. As we approach its official launch, almost every detail about this flagship device has surfaced, giving us a clear picture of what to expect. Let's dive into all the leaks and what they reveal about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. The leaks surrounding the Pixel 9 Pro XL have primarily focused on its impressive specifications. One of the first significant leaks came from Mystery Lupin, a well-known leaker who posted detailed specs on Twitter. According to Mystery Lupin, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will be powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM. This combination promises to deliver a powerhouse of performance, especially for those who rely on their smartphones for multitasking, gaming, or intensive applications. The storage options for the Pixel 9 Pro XL are equally impressive. Users can choose between 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and even a whopping 1 TB of storage, marking the highest storage capacity ever offered on a Pixel device. This leak was also corroborated by multiple sources, including a curious incident where T-Mobile listings on Google Search briefly displayed the phone's details, further confirming the storage capacities. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to feature a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2992 by 1344 pixels. What's particularly exciting about this display is its peak brightness, which reportedly reaches up to 3000 nits. This is significantly higher than what previous leaks suggested and promises an incredibly bright and vibrant display, perfect for outdoor use even in direct sunlight. The design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL has also seen some changes. Leaked photos, again shared by Mystery Lupin, reveal a less curvy design compared to its predecessors. The phone will feature Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, ensuring durability against drops and scratches. The redesigned camera block is another notable change, giving the Pixel 9 Pro XL a more distinct look that stands out from the crowd. Google's Pixel series has always been renowned for its camera quality, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems set to continue this trend. According to the leaks, the main camera will be a 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.68 aperture, designed to capture stunning photos with great detail and clarity. Alongside this, there's a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. The telephoto camera is another 48-megapixel sensor, offering 5x optical zoom. This level of zoom allows users to capture distant subjects without losing image quality, making it a valuable addition for photography enthusiasts. The front-facing selfie camera isn't left behind either, boasting a 42-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture. This is a significant upgrade from previous models and should result in sharper and more detailed selfies. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will ship with Android 14 out of the box, but it's expected to receive an update to Android 15 shortly after launch. Google's integration of AI features into its devices is also set to be a key selling point. Leaks suggest new AI-powered functionalities, including Pixel Studio, an AI image generator that can create unique images, and Reimagine, a feature that can transform objects in photos into something entirely different. Additionally, the phone will introduce a new weather app with AI-generated summaries, including outfit tips based on the weather forecast. Another intriguing feature is Pixel Screenshots, which allows users to find screenshots using natural language search. These AI-driven features aim to enhance the user experience by making the device more intuitive and personalized. As for the pricing, there have been a few different leaks. According to a T-Mobile listing that briefly appeared on Google Search, the 256 GB model of the Pixel 9 Pro XL will be priced at $1,200. However, Mystery Lupin provided additional insights, revealing that the 128 GB variant will start at $1,100. This pricing positions the Pixel 9 Pro XL as a premium device, comparable to other flagship smartphones on the market. Interestingly, there are also reports of special offers that could make the Pixel 9 Pro XL more appealing to consumers. As spotted by serial tipster Roland Quant, the UK network operator Vodafone is rumored to offer a double your storage for free deal on the Pixel 9 phones for a limited time. This means that customers who pre-order the 256GB model could get the 512GB model for the same price, effectively doubling their storage at no extra cost. It's worth keeping an eye out for similar promotions in other regions. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to be officially unveiled on August 13th, 2024. With all the leaks and rumors circulating, it's clear that this smartphone will be a significant release for Google. But what do you think about the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Is the starting price of $1,100 justified for the features and specifications it offers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks and goodbye.